20 by 20 carport. I gotta do the same thing over here. Squiggy's here to help. Okay, I got that side done. But I haven't decided which way to go with this yet. I gotta lay it out at 20 feet apart and see what's going to be the best way for driving in and out of here with two vehicles. Now, I am going to move that and cut into that hill more and make it wider. But I got to do this kind of figuring out on my own because, well, I bought this thing from Walmart.com. $1,000 for 20 by 20, which is pretty damn good. But you have to go online, this damn Chinese shit, to get the directions, and it's the wrong size. You gotta use a QR code to get to it, and it's the wrong size. Fucking idiots. So, right now I'm gonna figure out which way I want to do this, because if I do it this way, I won't have a curtain of water when it rains, even though it'll be out to here. If I do it the other way, the roof comes down this way, so the rain will be coming right through here. Unless I put a gutter system on it. Well, you have to figure it out. Okay, I tried this, and that ain't gonna work because it's gonna be too tight, especially with a massive car. Squiggy, you don't need to get on my car. You can't hear. So I'm gonna have to turn it to come in this way. I'm still gonna move this though. But I did the first arch just to see how it went for distance, but gonna have to change it. Okay, it's starting to take a shape. I made the mistake of putting that arch together first and then trying to put it on the base, and I'm not gonna do that again. That was hard. So hopefully I can get the rest of these arches on without too much trouble. It's just I'm not working on a perfectly flat space, but guess I'll see what I can do. Time for another update. I got most of the framing done. I still got cross members to do up here, but the basic skeleton's up. And I'll have to make sure it's all as square as it can be before doing the sheets. Okay, the frame's finally done. Squiggy is still supervising. I just need to do the sheets up on top. Not too bad for being on level ground. Well, it ain't perfect. It ain't done. I just started putting the panels up. They don't line up, but I really don't give a crap. That's because it's on uneven terrain. I'm not worried about the edge not lining up. But that's it for tonight. I'll put the rest of them up tomorrow.